Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to convert a colorful image into a black and white image. So at first I'm going to the file, open it. I'm selecting this image. Okay. Then I'm going to the file, select the new. Then I'm taking it, the international paper, and size will be 297 and 210. Okay, done. Then I'm going here, select, go to the select all or Ctrl plus A, go to the edit, Ctrl plus C or copy, go to here, go to edit, paste, Ctrl plus V. You are watching it. Then I am going to the edit, free transform, otherwise Ctrl plus T. Okay, you are watching it. Then go to here, apply it. Then I am going to the layer, duplicate layer is selected. Then okay, done. You are watching it. Then I am going to the image and adjustment. Then go to the temperature. I am taking it, layer is height. Then I am going to the layer again and duplicate layer is selected. Okay, done. Going to the normal, select the multiply. You are watching it. Then I'm going to the layer, new adjustment layer. Then I am taking black and white. Okay, then I am trying to select it, click here, then select it. Okay, then I am going to the normal and soft light is selected and the opacity can be 10. Okay, then I am taking it. You are watching it, this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.